What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here again for you, and in today's video I'm going to dive into NFTs and how they're going to change the world of crypto forever. But before I jump into the content, I just updated my free new ebook of 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. So check out the description and the comments that I pinned down below, and let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back. So we are just about to jump back into crypto art and how it's fueled by this new craze known as NFTs. But first, let's answer the question, what are NFTs and why are they important? So what are NFTs or non-fungible tokens? Non-fungible tokens contain identifying information recorded in their smart contracts. It's this information that makes each NFT different, and as such, they cannot be directly replaced by another token. They cannot be swapped like for like, as no two are alike. Banknotes, in contrast, can be simply exchanged between one another as they are the same value and there's no difference to the holder. Bitcoin is an example of a fungible token. You can send someone 1 Bitcoin and they can send 1 back. It would still be 1 Bitcoin. The value might change depending on the time between of exchanging, but it's essentially the same. You can also send or receive any part of a Bitcoin measured in Satoshis, as fungible tokens are divisible. Non-fungible tokens are not divisible. In the same way as you cannot send someone part of a concert ticket wouldn't be worth anything and would not even be redeemable. An example would be CryptoKitties, where one of the collectibles were some of the first NFTs. Each blockchain-based cat is unique. You can send someone a CryptoKitty and receive a CryptoKitty from someone else, and those two are not completely identical from the original one that was sent. So what makes NFTs so different from other cryptocurrencies? First, non-fungible tokens have unique attributes. They are usually linked to a specific asset. They can be used to prove the ownership of digital items like game skins, right through the ownership of physical assets. It really doesn't matter. Other tokens are fungible in the same way as coins or banknotes. Fungible tokens are identical. They have the same attributes and value when they're exchanged. So how are non-fungible tokens used? As well as for crypto collectibles like CryptoKitties, non-fungible tokens can be used for digital assets that need to be differentiated from one another in order to prove their value or scarcity. They can represent everything from virtual land parcels to artworks to ownership, licenses, it goes on. Non-fungible tokens are not traded on standard cryptocurrency exchanges. Instead, they are bought or sold on digital marketplaces like OpenBazaar or Decentraland's Land Marketplace. So how do NFTs work? Tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum-based ERC20 tokens are fungible. Ethereum's non-fungible token standard, as used by platforms such as CryptoKitties and Decentraland, is ERC721. Non-fungible tokens can be created on other smart contract-enabled blockchains, and non-fungible token tools supported. That's why Ethereum is the most widely used, and you can still use it on Tron, EOS, and other standards. Non-fungible tokens and their smart contracts allow for detailed attributes to be added, like the identity of an owner, rich metadata, or secure filing. The potency of non-fungible tokens can immutably prove digital ownership is an important progression for an increasingly digital world. They can see blockchain's promise of trustless security applied to ownership or exchange of almost any asset. As is the challenge of blockchain to date, non-fungible tokens, their protocols, and smart contract technology is still being developed. Creating decentralized applications and platforms for management and creation of non-fungible tokens is still relatively complicated. There is also a challenge of creating a standard. Blockchain development is fragmented, so many developers are working on their own projects. In order for this to be successful, there needs to be a unified protocols and interoperability between those protocols. Some other key characteristics of NFTs include 1, non-interoperable. A CryptoPunk cannot be used as the character on CryptoKitties game or vice versa. This goes for collectibles such as trading cards too. A Blockchain Heroes card cannot be played in the Gods Unchained trading card game. 2, indivisible. NFTs cannot be divided into smaller denominations like Bitcoin Satoshis. They exist exclusively as a whole singular item. 3, indestructible. Because all NFT data is stored on the blockchain via smart contracts, each token cannot be destroyed or removed or replicated. Ownership of these tokens is also immutable, which means gamers and collectors actually possess their NFTs, not the companies that create them. This contrasts with buying things like music from the iTunes store, where users don't actually own what they're buying, they just purchase the license to listen to that particular music. 4, verifiable. So another benefit of storing historical ownership data on the blockchain is that items such as digital artwork can be traced back to the original creator, which allows pieces to be authenticated without the need for third-party verification. Super Rare. Super Rare is one of the leading players in the emerging NFT-powered digital art space. As its name implies, Super Rare is all about providing a marketplace for rare and valuable pieces of digital art. On Super Rare's artists, their work is authenticated on the Ethereum blockchain, ensuring value. So far, over 10,000 pieces of artwork have been collected by users, according to the Super Rare website. Rareable. So another service that's aiming to bridge the DeFi and NFT communities is called Rareable, a decentralized app or DApp that enables users to sell digital artwork in the Rareable market. In July of 2020, Rareable launched Rari, a governance token that is used to reward creators and collectors. It can only be earned through active participation on the platform, a process Rareable terms marketplace liquidity mining. Rareable's market is, relative to other marketplaces, huge. According to data published by Dune Analytics, Rareable has been dominating NFT sales since September 2020. If Rareable continues its dominance of this industry, then DeFi is on pace to become synonymous with non-fungible tokens. The NFT industry may be young, but for some, it's full of potential. The race hasn't really started yet. This is really just warming up. Non-fungible tokens add potential to the creation of security tokens, the tokenization of both digital and real-world assets. Physical assets like property could be tokenized for fractional or shared ownership. If these security tokens are non-fungible, the asset ownership is completely traceable and clear, even if only tokens representing part of ownership are sold. Further application of non-fungible tokens could be certifications, such as for qualifications, software licensing, warranties, and even birth and death certificates. The smart contract of a non-fungible token immutably proves the identity of the recipient or owner and could be stored in a digital wallet for ease of access and representation. One day, our digital wallets could contain proof of every certificate, license, and asset that we own. So why are NFTs the key to crypto art? The rare digital art movement is taking place in an unexpected place, the blockchain. Artists across mediums, backgrounds, and the world are joining this movement, which has finally made it possible to profit from the sale of authenticated digital art. Digital art authenticity through blockchain technology has allowed for principles of scarcity to be applied to digital art, something that was previously impossible. This movement is democratizing artwork for the masses and tearing down traditional barriers to entry, such as geographic location, within the fine art world, allowing for everyone to participate. This just marks the beginning for digital art and its revolution. Think of the other possibilities, like musicians selling unique merchandise to their fans directly and via digital NFTs. How about hologram artists that work with projection mapping and can sell unique light shows to venues and to artists? Then, taking this even a step further, having the ability to use the blockchain to license these creations and create a smart contract to ensure that you get paid automatically. And what about tattoo artists who want to make sure that their unique art isn't getting stolen and that customers guarantee that they're getting an original piece of art on their body that no one can steal and can be verified on the blockchain? These are just a few ideas of how it will practically relate to the future of art and all artist-related industries in the next 5 to 10 years. Trust me, if you create unique artistic content in any medium, you do not want to get left behind. So that's it, guys. Go ahead and click right here in the top left. Click on the new video that I have here, the top 3 best hardware wallets for 2021 that are coming this year. And I will see you guys in the next video. Crypto Renegade out.